everyone, I'm Muniba Mazari and this is Roshni Baji, this is Bijli, and we are the part of Food Drive, and Food Drive is a small initiative. All we friends just wanted to contribute a little bit. Thanks to the team, and we do it quite often. Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday we are distributing food in F11 Merkaz and in I9, and we hope and pray that everybody can be the part of it, and it's more about inclusion and diversity. So it's great to be the part of the society, and we are trying our bit to spread a little goodwill to people. Thank you.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on